go ahead and inspire them to go and take that step forward and higher in them heels.
So one of the things I always tell women, just love you. If you really don't love you and you don't understand the blessings that God, because he makes each one of us unique. There's no one like each one of us. And he's given you those blessings, those skills to become a better version of you. So you just have to take off that coat of fear, that coat of doubt, that coat of worry, and just shine, because he's never going to let you down. It's just, I think what happens a lot of time, we're so fearful and we're so comfortable. That word just is not a great word. Sometimes you have to become uncomfortable if you want a better life. So if you know what you want in your life, find out, how am I going to get there? And when am I going to start that plan? That plan has to start today. Start living for you, loving you, and understanding the skills and the blessings that he's given you to conquer anything. Women are the future. You just got to know it.
That's it.